Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is capable. It's a B2 level adjective meaning able to do something. So, what does capable really mean? Well, it describes someone or something that has the ability, power, or qualities necessary to perform a specific task or achieve a particular outcome. In simpler terms, if you are capable of doing something, you can do it. Think of it as possessing the necessary skills or attributes. For example, a capable mechanic can fix a car. A capable student can pass an exam. A capable leader can guide a team to success. Let's explore some synonyms for capable. A close synonym is able. For instance, she is able to speak 3 languages. Another synonym is competent. We might say he is a competent surgeon. Another useful synonym is proficient. Consider this. She's proficient in data analysis. And finally, we have the word qualified. You could say they are qualified to manage the project. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of capable. A good antonym is incapable. For example, he is incapable of lying. Another antonym is incompetent. You might hear the incompetent worker was fired. Another one is unable, as in, she was unable to finish the race. Another contrasting word is unqualified. The unqualified candidate was rejected. Finally, there's the word inept. He's inept at handling social situations. So, how can you use the word capable in your everyday life? Well, you can use it to describe your own abilities. For example, you might say, I am capable of learning new things quickly. Or you can use it to compliment someone else. She is a very capable teacher. You can also use it to express doubt. Are you sure you're capable of lifting that? It's a versatile word that can be used in a variety of situations. Let's look at some more specific usage examples in sentences and phrases. He proved himself to be a capable administrator. She is capable of handling difficult situations with grace. The company needs capable employees to succeed. They are looking for a capable software engineer. The machine is capable of producing 100 units per hour. Are you capable of meeting the deadline? She's more than capable of taking on the responsibility. I know you're capable of great things. With proper training, anyone can become capable. He's a capable young man with a bright future. She is highly capable in her field. The team is capable of winning the championship. The new software is capable of handling large amounts of data. Our team is capable of delivering high-quality results. We need capable leaders to guide us through these challenging times. He is capable of doing anything he sets his mind to. Are you capable of working under pressure? The company is capable of adapting to changing market conditions. She is capable of making difficult decisions. The country is capable of defending itself. In summary, capable is a B2 level adjective that means able to do something. We explored its definition, synonyms like able, competent, proficient, and qualified, and antonyms like incapable, incompetent, unable, unqualified, and inept. We also looked at how you can use capable in everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English with us. As a challenge, create your own sentence about capable and share it as a comment under this video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.